Okay, so what I am going to try to do for you guys is to go over the odd numbered questions in a video. So again, we'll talk a little bit, we'll do some practice with positive and negative numbers. But some people asked earlier about like this -5 minus 4, or sorry, -5 plus 4. So if I had like dirt, right, like just the ground, and I did 5 digs into the ground, so that represents -5, and then I put 4 shovelfuls of dirt back in, how many am I going to have left? In this case, I will have -1 still here. So -5 plus 4 is -1. Now what happens when -1 minus 1? So here's my ground, right? I dig for a -1, I dig another -1, so I get a total of -2. So I have -3 minus 2 times -1 minus -2, the quantity squared. And then somebody had asked about -2, the quantity. So -2 squared versus -2 squared. So this -2 squared is positive 4. This -2 squared, because of order of operations, you do the 4 first, and then you distribute that -1. So this one is -4. So here, I'm going to go ahead and do my parentheses, so I get a positive 4. And then -3 plus 2 minus 4 gives me a -1 minus 4, which is a -5. Okay, so let's look at problem 2. So I'm going to do my parentheses first. So 3 minus 12 is -9, and then minus -2. And then -5 minus 3 is -8. And then -2 squared, and then minus a -1. Okay, so now I have -9 minus -2 times -8 over 4 minus a -1. And now I'm going to separate my numerator and my denominator. So I get -9 minus a positive 16, all divided by 4 minus a -1. The two negatives become a positive here, so that I get -25 over 5, which is -5. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at the next one. I'm going to do 4 instead. So when I wanted you to find the missing operator, really what I wanted you to check was addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So when I plug in addition here, I do my 6 times 3 first, which is 18, and then I add my 10 from order of operations, so I get 28. So my missing operator is addition here. Okay, and then that ends this lesson, and I know we're all a little rusty, but in the end, it'll get better.